Marek was 32, a busier man than he had ever imagined he would become. By day, he repaired printers in a small office building. By night, he sat at a kitchen table with an English notebook, a pencil, and a cup of tea going cold beside him. He had wanted to learn English quickly for years, but every time he opened a word list, he felt lost. Too many isolated words blurred together like rain on glass. Then his teacher, Miss Ellis, gave him a gentler path. "Learn by themes," she said. "Words live better when they have neighbors. Put them in context. 10 a day is enough if you use them." So Marek began with a theme of food: market, grocery, fresh, slice, stir, recipe, spicy, hungry, budget, and flavor. He wrote each word beside a sentence from his own life. "I bought fresh tomatoes after work. The soup was spicy but comforting. My budget is small, so I choose carefully." The words felt less like strangers and more like tools. The next day came weather: cloudy, breeze, storm, forecast, humid, chilly, umbrella, drizzle, bright, and shelter. He read the morning news and whispered the sentences aloud. Outside, the wind pressed against the window, and he smiled when he heard himself say, "The forecast says drizzle, so I will take an umbrella." Each evening, he learned at least 10 new words. Not by force, but by pattern. He grouped them into themes: work, travel, health, feelings, home. He used them in short stories, in text to himself, in conversations with Ms. Ellis. When he forgot a word, he did not call himself foolish. He practiced a simple CBT question: is this thought true, or just a mistake I can correct? The answer was usually kind. On difficult days, he used a DBT skill Ms. Ellis had taught him. He paused, breathed slowly, named 5 things he could see, for he could touch, 3 he could hear. The racing in his chest softened. Then he returned to the page. Weeks passed. One afternoon, a traveler in the office asked for help finding a train platform. Marek felt the old fear flutter in his stomach, but he answered anyway. "Go straight ahead, then turn left near the ticket machines. Your platform is on the right." The man thanked him warmly. Marek stood a little taller. He understood then that language was not only memory, it was connection. That night, he opened his notebook and wrote 10 more words. Not because he had to, but because he wanted to.